Meet the ChompSaw, a kid-safe power tool for cutting cardboard. Just turn it on, push your cardboard through, and cut clean lines, smooth curves, and even slots and tabs for making three-dimensional shapes.
The way it works is like a really fast hole punch that chomps away at cardboard bit by bit. So you can take ordinary cardboard and make extraordinary projects. It also works with paper, fabric, and craft foam under 2 pennies tall.
Our cutting head is completely kid-safe, with an opening too small for little fingers to get into and no exposed spinning parts.
That means that while we encourage teaching power tool safety, the metal guard keeps kids' fingers from getting cut, and the tool won't pull in or tangle hair and clothes. And while it's kinda loud, it's not loud enough to damage kids' ears. I'm Kelsey.
And I'm Max.
We're both graduates of the Integrated Product Design Master's Program at the University of Pennsylvania and co-founders of ChompSaw.
We started this project to inspire kids and makers everywhere to feel confident building with their own 2 hands, with accessories that help kids bring their ideas to life while thinking like an engineer.
You can measure your straight cuts, size and create perfect circles, change the angle of your cuts, score your cardboard to create folds, or use our hole punch tool to make cuts on the inside of cardboard pieces.
When you're done, just empty out the dust collection drawer.
So instead of throwing away those old cardboard boxes, let's use them for learning and give your inventor the tools they need to get started.